morning, guys. We're just arrived here at the airport and we booked our car by Klook. So very good. So yeah, we're heading to Malaysia from Bali to Malaysia. I got 28. Thank you. So guys, we're just boarding, and yeah, it's 12:30. Actually, it's 12:42 boarding time.
dan anak-anak kapal, kami mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih Batik Air. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Salam hormat dan jumpa lagi.
Thank you. Alright. Oh. So guys, good evening. We just made it here at 4 Point Sheraton property here in Kuala Lumpur, Chinatown. So it took us 2 hours in immigration. The line was so unreal. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a very quick room tour. Yeah, the Four Seasons. We're gonna stay here maybe 1 or 2 nights. We don't know yet. So yeah, here. So here they have the sink. This is the CR, the shower, toilet as well. And here they have the refrigerator as well. Yeah. Here's the safety box. Yeah, then iron. And oh, to open this. And nothing. And the sleepers, yeah. 4 Points by Sheraton. And then here, the water we drink already. Here, the glass, the coffee, the tea, the kettle. And this is the big mirror, whole body big mirror. And they have 2 full bed. And here the TV, the table. Here guys, the drawing smells very nice. And here's the view, amazing, of the city view. You can see that's the tower, Petronas Tower. That's the Chinatown around this area. Good morning guys, today is another day, another travel vlog. So we're still here at 4 Points by Sheraton. And this is the view guys, early morning. It's currently raining. You can see the clouds, very dark, very cloudy. Oh, lightning. My gosh. And that's the, see that guys, that's the tower, Twin Tower. Wow, we're gonna go there someday. Wow, it's raining, lightning. Look at that. And that's the Chinatown over there. Over there. This one is the Chinatown as well. Wow, look at that. Amazing view. What a view, huh? So guys, I'm gonna talk about what are the requirements to travel here in Malaysia. So first, your ticket, and the second one is your passport must have a 6 months validity, and the third one is your vaccination card or certificate must have a 2 dose of vaccine, and the fourth one is download the My Sagittaria app, and I will put down guys the link in my description box below. And if you have a 2 vaccine and 1 booster, you don't need to to take the antigen or RT-PCR test. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming travel vlog. Always remember, be happy, life is short, and don't forget to smile. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!